Mi bicho anda fugado y yo quiero que tú me lo escondas. Agárralo como bonga. Se mete una pepa que le pone cachonda.
Hey, what's up guys, it's me Aryan here and I'm back again with my another vlog. This time it's something different. I'm traveling to India from United States, specifically from San Francisco. Right now I'm sitting at the International Airport of San Francisco and I'm waiting for my flight. I already have the tickets and everything that I need to board the flight. So I just wanted to share my experience, how I got here, how I traveled for it, and how I've been traveling for the past 12 hours now. And now that I have a 16-hour flight, like in an hour. So this is all my 30-hour journey and I wanted to take you guys with me, and I'll be sharing what's the traveling situation right now during COVID time is. And I wanted to share my experience with you guys. So that's what I'm gonna do in this video. So make sure you hit the like button and subscribe if you are new to the channel. And because of obviously COVID reasons, I'll have to put my mask and talk in front of a camera. I know it sounds weird, but we gotta follow the regulations. But anyways, here it goes. So I started off my journey by going from my college to San Francisco. So now this road trip took me like 5 hours from a bus. And honestly, it was pretty chill. All I did was relax, listen to music, and did some college work. By the time I reached San Francisco City, I looked at the city, I admired it, listened to some music, and I was heading to my relative's place just for a couple of hours before I could come back to the international airport for my flight. But when I was leaving my relative's place, I was like, I gotta look at the local transportation of San Francisco, how it is, how it feels like to be in one of them. So that's what I did. I said bye to my relatives, went on to a public transportation called BART, which goes locally in San Francisco City. And this is all the footage that you're seeing right now is from BART. And I reached San Francisco Airport straight from my relative's place to the International Airport of San Francisco.
So once again, if you're looking to go towards Millbridge, you'll arrive in Central Trackway.
Please stand clear of the door. This train is departing. Please stand clearing the door. This train is departing.
We gotta input everything so we can get our boarding pass, and then we can give the luggage to the people so they can put it inside the plane. So this is right now we are getting our boarding pass. This is the step 1 of it. On my tickets, now I'm gonna go get my security check-in done, because they still have to check my backpack that I'll be carrying in the plane. So just going there right now. And that experience was also pretty chill, but it was time for me to come back to the airport. And I came to the airport 3 hours before my flight. That's the minimum you should kind of take. That's what the airports like recommend you. That's also what I did, and I took my boarding time and my security check and everything. That literally took me like an hour and a half at max, and I was ready for my flight. Now, not gonna lie, I really liked the airport of San Francisco, because this time I was able to see it more clearly, because the last time I came to United States from India, it was dark and it was nighttime. It was like 9 or 10 p.m. so I couldn't see anything. I just exited and went on my way. But this time I really got to see what the airport actually looks like. And right now I'm sitting at the boarding place, like the place you have to board. There's just gates at back. They have like specific numbers of gates. Then again, I went to the security checks, and now that I'm sitting here, I will show you around the airport a little. This is how it looks like on the back. But right now, after I am done with this waiting time and everything, so that's what you heard. But as I was saying, I'll show you around what we get inside the plane, what's the situation is of inside of the plane after I'm done boarding to my flight. See ya. Hey, what's up guys? Now I've arrived at the New Delhi airport. Right now, currently I'm going towards the baggage claim center so I can claim my baggage. The flight was like 16 hours long, and I'll tell you what I got into the flight. I got 2 meals, 1 snack, nothing like a PPE kit or like nothing like a COVID kit or something. we got nothing like that. We just got like an alcohol wipe and that was it. But yeah, right now currently I'm going over there. It's like a few minutes walk, which feels really good to be honest, because I was sitting for like 16 hours straight. All right, let's see how it goes. We're right at the Indira Gandhi International Airport. That's the Delhi airport in short. And right now I'm here, just gonna check in and take my bags and probably dip after that, to be honest. Got my bag. Now I'm headed outside. Have to find a way to get out. Of course. This is how the baggage claim center of the Delhi airport looks like. And I think I found my way out. I think as I'm exiting right now, this is probably a good time to end this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. And I'm just gonna find my family now because I wasn't able to connect to the airport Wi-Fi here.